Imo, are you excited for your new siblings?
You're welcome to the excited world friends tired of my buns and with things happiness, spread happiness everywhere. Let's get the party started.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm taking a closer look at these adorable Ortomi robots, including Ortomi and Ortomi Umi. In this video I'll be focusing on the unboxing experience, their design, their portability and my overall first impression. From the moment you open the box, both products feel compact, friendly and cleanly designed to be visually appealing. This review is based on my first hands-on experience with the robots, including the way they look, the way they react, and how they present themselves right out of the box. Let's start with Ortomi. Inside the box you get the Ortomi robot, a charging cable and a guide to help you get started. My first impression was immediately very positive. Ortomi has a beautiful and charming design that feels simple, clean and very well balanced. Its cube sharp body gives a classic and recognizable robot look, while still feeling soft, friendly and approachable. One of the most appealing features is the screen's face. The glowing eyes give Ortomi personality right away, and even before it starts reacting, it already feels lively and full of character. Also, I really like the smooth finish and bright colors. In this video, I am showing you the purple and the red Ortomi robots. They look especially sweet and eye-catching. Their design is minimal, but still very expressive, and that simplicity works extremely well. Overall, Ortomi makes a strong first impression. It's small, stylish, and is instantly lovable. Ortomi Umi. Now let's move on it. Inside the box you get the Umi robot, USB-C charging cable, an owner's guide, and a travel protected travel case, which is very nice addition if you want to carry the robot with you more easily. At first glance, Umi looks incredibly cute and expressive. What makes it stand out right away are its small ear-like details and its bright screen face. These design elements give it a more playful and animated appearance. The overall design feels modern and polished and full of personality. The face display is clear and expressive, while the added styling gives Umi a stronger character-driven look compared to the standard Ortomi. In my video, the pink and the blue Umi robots look especially charming. Their colors are cheerful, vibrant and very appealing on the camera. Umi has a very lovable design and it immediately gives the impression of being a tiny robot companion with its own unique personality. One of the biggest strengths of both Ortomi and Ortomi Umi is their size. These robots are small, lightweight and compact enough to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. They truly feel like a pocket-sized companion robot that you can take almost everywhere. That portability makes them easily appealing. You can keep them in your desk, place them in the bag, take them on a trip and simply carry them around the house. They don't take much space, but they will have a strong presence. The packaging also helps create a very positive first impression. Everything feels neat, simple and easy to understand, so the unboxing experience is approachable rather than overwhelming. That clean, presentation match the overall design of the robots very well. What I like the most is that their small size doesn't take away from their personality. Even though they are tiny, they still feel expensive, engaging, and truthfully designed. Another thing I really like about this robot is the sounds they make. Even though they don't speak, they still feel expressive and full of life. The little beeps, chirps, and boops are so soft and sweet and surprisingly emotional. They add a lot to the experience and help make each reaction feel more lively and memorable. Instead of relying on spoken languages, these robots use sound, movement, and facial expression to communicate personality. This is a big part of what makes them so charming. Ortomi react to touch, interaction, and movements, which helps it feel more like a tiny companion than just a gadget. Umi is especially expressive with his moving ears, customized eye colors, and wide range of emotions displayed on its screen. The screen-based face is one of the strongest parts of the overall design. Even with such small displays, both robots communicate emotion very effectively. Their expressions are simple, but they are clear, readable, and instantly engaging. If I compare the two at first glance, Ortomi feels more classic and minimal, while Umi feels slightly more playful and child-focused. Both designs are very appealing, but they create slightly different impressions. Ortomi offers a cleaner and more compact robot aesthetic, while Umi adds more visual animation and emotional expression to its styling. What stands out more about both products is how strongly they rely on charm, portability, and personality rather than complexity. They are not trying to be large or overly technical devices. Instead, their appeal comes from the way they look, the way they react, and the way they make the interaction feel. For anyone who enjoys cute tech, desk companions, or expensive mini robots, both Ortomi and Ortomi Umi makes a very strong first impression. Overall, I think Ortomi and Ortomi Umi are adorable little companions. They are compact, expressive, and colorful, and also full of personality. From their cute design and portable size to their sweet sounds and animated expression, everything about them feels thoughtful and charming. From the unboxing and first impression perspective, both robots are memorable, engaging, and very easy to like. If you enjoy cute robots, small gadgets, and tiny companions with a lot of personality, these are definitely fun robots to see and experience. I'm Tsveti. Imo and Imo are on the home station now. These are Ortomi robots. In the next video, I'll be revealing their new names. If you have been following me on Instagram, you already know what their names will be. Thank you for watching, and let me know which one of you is your favorite, Ortomi or Ortomi Umi. Goodbye and see you soon!